Yesterday, your problems belong to someone else. Yesterday, you said you couldn't do it all by yourself. Yesterday, you woke up and decided I won't go to work. I think my boss is hating me. He's such a jerk. Yesterday, you hit the post up. You said I got nothing but some time. Yesterday, you said, hey man, I feel like getting blind. Yesterday, you blamed the preacher, teacher, family, and your friends.
Hello, this is Janet M. Taylor, better known as Organizer Janet. And in this series, I will be sharing with you a product that can help you get organized. If you want to keep your countertops and surfaces clutter-free, check out this makeup brush holder, which you can use for more than just makeup brushes. Yes, your makeup brushes will stand in here really nice and neat, but you can also use them for paint brushes, markers, pens, pencils, you name it, and help you keep your surfaces clutter-free, but most of all, help you stay organized. Hello, I hope you have enjoyed this product segment. To get more information about this product or other products that can help you organize your home, your office, and your life, please visit my website at www.janetmtaylor.com. Until next time, have a clutter-free day.
Yesterday, your problems belong to someone else. Yesterday, you said you couldn't do